Exercise number 4. Analog input and potentiometer. The materials is 1 Arduino Uno R3, 1 USB cable, 1 potentiometer, 1 breadboard, connecting wires, computer with Arduino software. Using colored wire, connect the center lead of the potentiometer to A0 pin of the Arduino board. Connect one unconnected leg of the potentiometer to 5-volt pin with the other leg to the ground of the Arduino. The code is: open the Arduino software IDE to click verify button to review code for errors. If the code has no errors and missing commands, a message on the window below will display done compiling. This means your code is ready to be uploaded into the Arduino microcontroller board. Click upload button to upload the Arduino code to the Arduino microcontroller board. Open serial monitor and set baud rate to 9600, both NL and CR. After the code is successfully uploaded, the serial monitor gives an output from 0 as the minimum and 1010 as the maximum value. These two values are obtained by rotating the knob fully counterclockwise, going to the black line, and clockwise, going to the red line, respectively.